Hi, and welcome to Inspired Messages Monday. It's Sue here. And as you know, I've been away 3 months in Thailand. And also, I went to China. I was very lucky to go with the family for 10 days to Hong Kong and Macau and a place called Guangzhou. So, an amazing 3 months. And whilst I was there, I actually trained in something called Fast Track for Kids. This is the box. And as it says on the box, play therapy that builds emotionally intelligent kids for an expanding world. So this it's been proved actually that children with emotional intelligence are the most successful. They have better relationships, better careers, and are more successful and happy individuals. So and we know at the moment, children have a lot to cope with sometimes with broken families and things that are going wrong maybe at school. So after I trained in this, I actually played it with my grandchildren, and it is an amazing tool, and it means that you can heal situations that they find themselves in, which to me is really exciting and very powerful. Um, the cards are in four groups, so the child actually picks a card um, just at random, or it can pick more than one card. There's a whole pile of them, and so there's one here that says lonely, different. Maybe they feel different. Maybe they feel left out, and maybe they feel worried, or maybe they feel embarrassed. So they're just a few of the cards, and then so they pick those, and then they also pick where it happened. So maybe it happened at home, or maybe it happens at school. And then they pick how they're going to resolve it. So do they want to be supported, or maybe they want the family, happy family around them, smiley and happy, or maybe they want a friend, maybe they just want a friend. So they can pick any of these cards. So there's four different lots. So I just want to say that if you're interested in learning more about this, Jas Govan, who actually is the originator of this, will be in the UK doing training during April. And so if you're a therapist, or you're even a mum, or you have an interest in children, then maybe get in touch with me. I think there will be a free introduction that might be online, and then you can take it further if you want to do the training. So just message me if you feel that's something that you'd like to do. Okay, on that free introduction, it will show you the whole how it works, the whole thing. So from my point of view, I have decided I'm going to send my inspired messages once a month. So it will be the first Monday of every month. So the next one will be at the beginning of April. And obviously I can't probably do, it's too long to do all the transits for the whole month. So if you're really like looking at what's happening astrologically, then please look at my Facebook page. That's Astrologer Sue Fletcher, because I do put the what's happening every day, the transits, on that page. Okay, so also, obviously, I've got my courses. I've actually sold 79 astrology courses, and since I've been back, two people have decided to do the Life Purpose Reveal course, which is great, and some charts have come in, so I'm quite busy. But if you need my help, you need a reading, or you're interested in my courses or anything else that I've talked about, then please get in touch, either through my Facebook page or my website. And as I say, I will be back to you at the beginning of April with the next Inspired Messages Monday. But I just wanted you to know that I was back, and I'm here, and I'm okay, and I'm just kind of getting over the jet lag and getting myself back into normality. Okay, so I will see you again at the beginning of April. So have a great 2 weeks and bye for now. Bye bye.